Hi, welcome to the online presentation of the WIOA Section 511 Workforce Innovation and Opportunity Act. Workforce Innovation and Opportunities Act, WIOA Section 511, New Regulations. On behalf of Vocational Rehabilitation Services, VRS, and the 8 Centers for Independent Living, which we'll refer to as the CILs, in Minnesota will be responsible for ensuring that career counseling, information, and referral services are provided and documented for adults age 25 or older, 24 years of age or younger who started working before July 22nd, 2016, working for subminimum wage, which means individuals are earning less than the current federal minimum wage. Centers for Independent Living work with individuals with disabilities. They help people advocate in their own lives. They provide independent living services to empower people become as independent as they choose. Designate E of Deeds VRS to conduct WIOA Section 511 Career Counseling Information and Referral Process, and the 8 CILs across Minnesota. You will see there's a picture of the state divided up in all the 8 CILs, so you can take a look at which area that you would be connected with. Workforce Innovation and Opportunities Act, WIOA Section 511. So what's new? The new work rules started on July 22nd, 2016. The laws have changed to ensure that individuals with disabilities who are earning subminimum wage have the opportunity to explore competitive employment, be given a choice of employment options, and explore options and resources available for employment. WIOA Section 511, New Regulations Impact. CILs staff will meet one-on-one annually with individuals to provide career counseling, information, and referral services with the goal of having a meaningful conversation about work using a person-centered approach. Yearly, you will be given the opportunity to have a conversation about your employment options. You will discuss your likes, dislikes, what's working, what's not working in your current job, and what your goals and dreams are for the future. To discuss your interests and skills, discuss your concerns or fears, and answer any questions you have about work. And to clarify that we will not be able to find a job, but we will advocate for any changes you may want. WIOA Section 511 roles. Who is involved? Federal Department of Labor is responsible for enforcing the new rules. Vocational Rehabilitation Services is responsible for developing a system for the employer, the special wage certificate holder, to document your choice and to help individuals who wish to explore employment. The Centers for Independent Living, as an unbiased third party, are responsible for meeting with you to have a conversation about employment. The employer who holds a special wage certificate must provide the Department of Labor with proof of an opportunity for you to have this meeting. The adults who do not need to participate are those that are employed earning the federal minimum wage or above, or who are involved in a recreational program without an employment component and not receiving subminimum wages. So we'll talk about the career counseling, information, and referral services. Definition of career counseling. Counseling includes job exploration and information regarding education, experience, interests, knowledge, skills and abilities for different jobs, matching the individual's strengths, resources, priorities, concern, abilities, capabilities, and interests. The definition of information and referral is information and referral includes, but is not limited to, information about federal, state, and local programs and other resources that offer services to help individuals with disabilities prepare for, secure, and maintain competitive, integrated employment. So what does informed choice really mean? The informed choice means to explore and have an understanding that there are options for employment, that have your goals and dreams for employment heard, to learn and understand the positives and potential risks of a job change, to learn and understand that help you may need to reach your goal, and to make a choice based on the information you have learned. So, the documentation. The CILs staff will obtain documentation of the individual's decision in pursuing competitive employment, integrated employment, yes or no or refusal, and one copy will go to the individual, one copy will go to the employer, and one copy will be sent to VRS.
Career Counseling Information and Referral Conversation. Center for Independent Living staff will meet with you to discuss your likes, dislikes, hopes and dreams for employment, ways to overcome barriers, potential risks and benefits of your decision, resources available to you. Having a conversation does not commit you to anything. It gives you an opportunity to talk about your options. Career Counseling Information and Referral Documentation Form. The Center for Independent Living staff will be filling out the Career Counseling Information and Referral Documentation Form, available in paper or electronic version, as a way to document the conversation. Signatures are required. One copy will go to the individual, one copy will go to the employer, and the final copy will remain with the Center for Independent Living staff. If you are filling out the form electronically, the form can be emailed. Career Counseling Information and Referral Documentation. Here you are looking at a copy of the form. Here is where we will get the individual's name, the employer, the date, and also document the individual's choice. Here is the second portion of the form, where again we will be documenting the individual's choice and any other comments they wish to share with the Center for Independent Living staff. On the last portion of the form is where we will be getting the signatures, so the Center for Independent Living staff, the individual, their guardian if necessary, and we will also be documenting the date in which you got your form and how you got it. Choices. If someone says no, the individual can continue to earn subminimum wage and no changes to their employment are made. The Center for Independent Living staff will fill out the form, Career Counseling Information and Referral Service document, and sign to acknowledge the Career Counseling Information and Referral Service conversation happened. Documentation must indicate that there has been a unique conversation, identify the reason or reasons the individual is choosing no at this time. The documentation should also include comments made by the individual. If someone says yes, the Center for Independent Living staff, along with the individual's chosen team, will identify the resources that are available, which may include but are not limited to employer who holds a special wage certificate, county resources, extended employment, vocational rehabilitation services, VRS, adult rehabilitative mental health services, or ARMS. Center for Independent Living staff will assist in coordinating a meeting with the individual and their support team to identify and implement the next steps towards competitive integrated employment. If someone refuses to participate in the Career Counseling Information and Referral process, the Center for Independent Living staff will explain that the consequence of that refusal is that the individual will no longer be able to earn a subminimum wage. The WIOA process. This is just a breakdown of all the information we've already shared. So first, you're going to want to attend an information session, or if you're listening to this, you're already attending one. You're going to want to have a conversation with the Center for Independent Living staff. There is where they will get the guardian and individual to sign the form, and this is when you're going to be able to make a choice. Some people are going to say, yes, I want to explore more employment. That's when we'd have a team meeting to discuss options and develop a plan moving forward. Others are going to say, no, I want things to stay the same. You're done until next year. If you refuse to participate, the guardian and individual sign the form saying that they refuse. There will be no conversation with the Center for Independent Living staff and no subminimum wage employment. It's your choice. No matter what you decide at any point in this process, the Center for Independent Living staff are going to respect your choice. Regardless of what you choose to do, you and your guardian will need to sign the informed choice form in order to provide documentation of your choice to the employer. It is your choice. Thank you and have a good day. For more information, contact the Center for Independent Living closest to you, or the center that you are the most comfortable contacting, and they will point you in the right direction.